Hello everybody, this is Robert from Asia Pacific Gardening. This bonsai right here, I think we're ready for upgrade this tree to the better level. This tree originally, I have this tree probably 25 years already, and it's been in the pot. I believe we've been changing the pot, repotting only once because we have a big root system, a big pot like here. So let me tell you what the original this plant. This original plant is 3 different trees. This is Zelkova, Chinese elm. So we have 1, 2. You can see here the big space. There used to be is a Carmona microphylla. The what right here is mean 2 different variety making one bonsai. That's why I collect this plant. When I said it's interesting in because the Carmona tree, which is like here, and go back there. And then between right here and up right here, there's another 2 tree. For that time, I interestingly, oh, this fun, you know, it just looks different. And this was under the soil right here.
Where?
Right here. Okay.
Oh, okay. All of that was under.
This is all under the soil, and this is the root from this tree here. Okay. And this tree, the root down right there, and the Carmona. The tree, I already take it out, the dead branch is right here and up. Looking at this small tree right here, this is the young baby from this tree. And you can see they climbing up and they touch the other tree. You're gonna from this tree, I believe this is the one branch wrong right here, and this tree attached to there. And you can see from this side right here, if I'm put a little bit power, this will be separate with this trunk right here. Yeah, this will be separate.
Oh, and I see, okay.
Yeah. Before we do anything, we would like to study the structure of this tree and find out how we can do it. Let's pull out this tree from this container, bring this down, and we start working on it.
All right.
So we have a tree in front of us right here. And let me spin this and let's study together. Of course, I'm looking at a tree from the tree, and the one you're looking from your TV screen or computer, that's probably different. But look at this tree. Good structure.
Really wide.
It's really wide. And we may change the idea during the work. Let's not be surprised. There's one dead branches right here, I believe. No, yeah, this is dead branches right here. And there's one dead branches right here too. And the rest of them are really good.
I think the key interesting thing is definitely that twisted trunk. I don't know, YouTube. How would you design this? Would you just repot it the way it is? Would you tilt it like this? Or would you remove this stuff, pot it like this? Or would you do a cascade? Make the cascade pot right here like this? I don't know.
Let me spin it again from the other angle. If you see something interesting, that's really white here, okay? Because the tree right here really is almost bigger than the size on this side right here.
Crazy. Oh, because the sunlight is over here, so it's growing towards the sun. There's a lot of different options you can do. Wait, keep the dead branches.
This, okay.
You never know.
It's really heavy on this side.
Yeah.
But let's move the camera, see if this is the apex. If I'm saying is if this is the apex. So turn the camera.
Turn, oh, like this. So would you remove all of that stuff?
Well, firstly, we're going to remove this rock first. This is too heavy. Can I move this?
Yeah. So you want to plant it like this. And where's your apex? If this was your idea?
Probably right in here. This is the apex. And
the pot is like here, like this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You maybe need to climb up to the ladder to see from the top what they look like, because this is heavy, I cannot show you. So take a camera from the top, so you study this tree, what they look like.
All right, let's see.
I'm standing up right here, looking at the tree, because the tree too heavy. I'm studying on the top right here. Right now, what I'm thinking about, this tree, okay, this tree like this, maybe bringing up like this. So I would like to get the Nolan, get the camera to see from here, give you one angle looking at, so the tree would be up, and when they up, this is the front.
Okay.
This may be the front.
Let me climb up there and look.
So the camera already looking at this side right here. That's another option. This one, when this bringing up like this is the apex, maybe. Then this will be the side looking, the front of the tree. So I'll give you a different angle before you just study.
Huge hole right here, though.
Right here?
Yeah.
Well, let's see what we can do.
I got an idea. How about you come up with a design, and then I'll come up with a design, and then we'll choose something.
Good.
Let's head into the office.
Why use lot tool when few tools do trick? Me like good tool. Me use good tool 15 years. Me give discount. Go website pnetools.com/bonsai. Promo code bonsai. You 10% off. Tool to your house. You happy. Back to video.
This is a piece of paper printing out this tree from the one angle. You can see right here.
That angle is this angle.
Okay.
Okay.
Then I have cardboard right here and cut it like a bonsai container. The size of the tree, approximately. You can see the tree, the big trunk, which is on there. So we can pot it this way.
That.
Limit it this one here, or
Let
maybe.
me see. Hold on. If this is the way, let's bring it back over here. Tilt it. Kind of like that. Oh, that's way too small. Okay, something like that. You get the idea? Oh, that was pretty good. Do you have another method?
Not yet, but definitely not like this, because this curved to here. So we can put the container like this and remove it.
I like your original idea. I didn't even think about looking at it from here. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Dang, look at that. Okay, let me try to design something. Okay, this is what I did here. Just some basic photoshopping. This is just a background that I couldn't delete. But I decided to angle the tree maybe 45 degrees. And some photoshopped in rocks. And then that cardboard cutout. This is kind of my vision compared to yours. What do you think?
This is a good option. So,
You want to try this?
and yeah, we were trying, but when we take it out, when we take it out from the container, maybe if we find out the other better option,
That's true.
that's the one we always study. And so not just take it out and pot it, we not do like that. We always take it out and study the tree, upgrade the art value. That's our job, and that's also recommend you to consider that too.
All right, let's try it. So now we've come up with two different designs, and I don't know what you all have designed, so leave a comment, let us know if what we create ends up being close to what you had envisioned. But our next step now is to take this tree out of this pot. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. I'll lift the tree and then you shift the pot out. Oh man. Whew. So now we're going to clean up the soil and see what root system we have to work with. Okay, so we remove the tree out from the soil in the container. This looks like it's one joint root system, so let's try to find the position. My original idea was like this, something like this, and I think my dad's was like this.
No, turn this way a little bit. Stop, and turn it to me. A little bit more. Hold that way.
Okay. Or we can go higher or lower too.
Now, let me check on this side. Yeah, we can prune this back a little bit. So I think,
And maybe find a rock here or something.
yeah, that's later on. Find the position first. I think this is, let me go back to the behind the camera. Turn this way a little bit. There you go. Yeah, just like this. So this is the position, so we can save the small one. The only thing, the empty on the front of your face right there, that's a little bit empty, but we can bring down that branch on the front of you there. Let me go there. Yeah,
This
that's one. Yeah, we can wire this down.
Fragile.
Yeah. Okay,
Oh, this snapped off.
there you go.
Oh man. Okay. Well,
I think that's one is the baby. Originally didn't have that one. This comes from the baby.
we'll try to keep it together.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll pot it up like this first.
Yeah. Then we pruning the tree.
Okay, and then design a rock.
Design the rock.
Okay,
Okay.
let's pot this up. Okay, we got the tree out. We got new lava rock, add a layer of soil, put the wire and the screen on. We're gonna move this tree over here and see what happens.
We need up a little bit. No, I mean,
Oh,
yeah, like this.
okay. We need more soil on the bottom then.
Can you put it down? Or too low?
Well, it needs to be here.
Okay. And put the soil.
Okay, let's.
Okay.
Oh, good. Okay.
No, take it up.
More.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. This way.
Yeah. Bring in right here. Okay, you hold it like this.
Yeah, you want to wire it?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Right position? Or?
Oh,
Or?
yeah. A little bit more. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. How do you think? So this is the position. I check it at this part here. We need to prune back a little bit. This is too long right here. It's just some work we need to take care of that. Sorry, but I don't have a turntable over this side. So later on we can see about this side.
And this rock is just temporary. We're gonna find a better rock that suits this. So let's move to the next step. So I thought I hit record for all the pruning and the adjusting. So we were just talking to a non-recording camera. But what we did was we found the right rock, repositioned it, and then my dad Robert did a little bit more pruning because it was like so overgrown. Now there's a bit of more balance. So let's give this thing a water so the soil will settle in.
Thanks for watching this repotting project right here. And if you have any comment, welcome to send a comment, click like, and share this video with your friend if you're interested in it. And thank you very much. See you soon.
Hey everyone, Nolan here. I'm so sorry that I didn't hit record because we covered so much content on pruning this massive tree and scaling it back to the right proportion. Also designing the right rocks to make sure it holds in place cohesively. I must have double tapped and hit the record button, and I'm so sorry. But you know, this tree is not fully done yet. There's still more opportunities to go, but I think we did a pretty good job upgrading it from the way it was to what it is now. If you're curious how to properly prune a Zelkova or a Chinese elm, click on the video on your screen.